welcome back to the channel and for these videos as always. Today we are back at the Catamaran to see how it's going. It's been a while. Basically they've moved it just so I can get some more boats in here. Hopefully you can hear me, it's quite windy today. So the first thing you notice on all of it, there's not a single fitting on it at all. All the hull has been repaired. It's going to be sprayed, so my brother-in-law managed to get a decent quote, and the cockpit has already started to be sprayed. And I'll try and overlay a picture on this, but all up here you see the hole where the compass went, but there used to be holes there for dials and stuff. That's, well, my brother-in-law's done all the filling and rubbing down. I've done a little bit of rubbing down, but it's come along. So it's had the initial spray put on there and it looks amazing. All of this has been repaired, it's all been replastered. So if we do a quick turn around here, everything you can see is rubbed down, all the rubbing strips off. It's all been prepped. We just need this bloody weather to stop being windy and rainy. You see, everything is rubbed down under here. It's all good to go. We just need the rain to stop. For those international viewers, I'm filming this in June and we've had non-stop wind and non-stop rain. I think so far we've had 5 days of summer. The other thing you'll see is that the reconditioned legs are now back on, but you'll see that the engine's still not in. Basically there's a part of it waiting to come over from the US, so it should be being fitted I think in a week's time when this part arrives, hopefully. So let's go up and have a look what's like on the top side. We've just been getting all this out from the forward bedroom and the bathroom. So straight away you can see the difference between the old colour and the new colour going on. This platform here was a bit flexible, so it's been foam filled, so a bit more prep work to do. If I go up to the front you can see where it had all windows going across the front and down the side, it had loads of silicone stuck to it, so that's all been rubbed down, filled. And incidentally, every single piece of deck furniture that's come off, other than the davits that's on the back here, that's just being polished up, but pretty much everything else, the cleats, the rails that go along here, anything to do with handrails, rather than being re-chromed and polished, they're actually going to be powder coated, so it's going to give it a completely modern feel. And so inside, I didn't think there's much more you could get out of here, but all of the lining that was in there has come out. So now, as soon as it's sprayed, we can pack out around the windows, get the windows in, and that will seal everything. And then the interior will start to take shape. But as you can see, if I look behind the bulkhead here, you can make out where there were holes that were visible to the cockpit. You can't see them now, they've all been filled. And then the final liners that were in the bathroom have also come out. So just a very brief video to show that progress is occurring, but unfortunately the weather is preventing us from making, well, I say us, it's preventing my brother-in-law and the sprayer he's got from making the progress that was expected or hoped for. But apparently the weather's going to clear for the end of June, so hopefully a lot of the work can then progress. But so the engine should be going in about a week and a half's time, and this bit comes from America. And then once the top side is sprayed, all the deck gear can start going on. Once the bottom half is sprayed, I think it's going to be pretty much ready to seal the windows, and then it might be moved to a different yard. And with that, I'll call it a wrap there, and I'll catch you on the next video. Do me a favour though, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. The channel's growing nicely, and I'll keep coming back and filming. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.